I mean, your setup is there, but now you're shy. You're thinking that you're not reading the market right. Something is not right. I'm not gonna take this trade, you know, and what happens then? The trade works beautifully and would have wiped out all the losses from those previous 4 losing trades, plus made you a bunch of money that day. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Rafael back again. And in today's video, we are going to talk about losing streaks, how to handle losing streaks. I'm going to show you my results for the last couple of months. I want to show you what was happening the last weeks, because I was facing a drawdown. I was facing a losing streak because I was not 100% focused on the charts, did some other stuff. And yeah, we need to talk about it, guys. So consistent traders approach trade number 5 with the same mindset they did on the previous 4 losing trades, okay? And what I mean by that is that we've all had those times when we get 3 trades in a row, 4 trades in a row that go against us, right? And that's gonna happen. I mean, statistically that will happen. And what happens on that 4th or 5th trade that comes along? I mean, your setup is there, but now you're shy. You're thinking that you're not reading the market right. Something is not right. I'm not gonna take this trade, you know, and what happens then? The trade works beautifully and would have wiped out all the losses from those previous 4 losing trades, plus made you a bunch of money that day. I mean, it happened to everybody, and it's not because you're reading the market wrong. I mean, statistically, your strategy or your setup just don't work 100% of the time, you know, and maybe not even 60% of the time. So you've got to know that statistically there will be times when 4 or 5 trades in a row don't work, and you've got to be confident in your system, and you've got to be able to take that next trade with the same enthusiasm as you did those previous 4 trades. I mean, a consistent trader don't get bothered by the idea that they've lost on 4 previous trades, okay? They know that it can happen, and every time you don't take that next trade, but it matches all of your criteria, it's gonna be the one winner that you didn't take, and it's gonna just make you even more mad. So stick to your plan and don't let emotions dictate your decisions. Consistent traders approach trade number 5 with the same mindset they did on the 4 previous losing trades. Know that, guys. So let's go over today's results, what we had today, guys. Let me check. So today is 23, right? So today I was able to make around 1% profit. I took 1 losing trade, took 1 winning trade. And now let's get back in time, because the last 2 months were so bad. In this month and last month, I've lost around, I think, 15% of my account. I gave a lot of my profits back to the markets, and yeah, it hurt because I took a lot of losing trades, but that didn't change my mentality. When I see my setup, I trade my setup. The problem that I had why I was facing these drawdowns was that I was trying to take so many reversals. I was not moving with the flow of the market. That was really my main problem. I tried to deflect my will onto the market, tried to catch a lot of reversals. They didn't work out. Market trended against me, and yeah, I lost a couple of trades. Now let's get back in time. Let's see, but for this year, guys, if we check from the 1st May, made a lot of trades. I mean, we have like 3.9 million profits and 3.9 million withdrawals. So I still made a lot of damage this year, guys. So I'm happy with the result overall. Guys, even if you have a losing week, maybe a losing month, don't get bothered by it, guys. There will be much more winning months, winning weeks if you consistently stick to your plan and don't try to jump from strategy to strategy, right? Really focus on your game and have the confidence to just do your thing, guys. Move with the flow of the market, take your entries, take your setups. Don't be shy. If you see your setup, execute, and yeah, and make some money, man. All right. So let's talk about some trades, the trades that I took this week, the trades that I've shared with all my students inside the inner circle of our team, with all masterclass students. So today I shared 2 trades. The first one I closed early because I see the market wants to go the other direction, so I switched my mind. We can talk about today's trade. So I changed my mind and I bought instead of selling this thing. I mean, as you can see, guys, the market was coming down here the last days, right? Friday, Monday, Tuesday, yesterday we had a nice push. That's right, we took out all the stops sitting above this zone, we took them all out today, and then we broke structure here, right? Like we broke structure with a lot of aggression. So that's why I was thinking like, okay, maybe we're gonna take some stops out in here, grab some liquidity down here, and then get back in that zone. Maybe make a 50% pullback of that move. So I try to target this area in here, but the market basically showed me that I'm wrong, guys. So let me get a little bit more zoomed in. So what was happening in here, guys? I mean, I took my trade in here and I closed it exactly here at 9:30 New York Stock Exchange opening, guys. I saw like the market was coming down. I was happy, okay. Then the market broke structure in here and I was like, all right, let's buy this thing. It will probably target this significant high over here, which is around 11,800, and this is what happened, guys. And this is where I took my profits. So I jumped in, took profits in here, made a little loss in here, made a nice profit in here, boom, finish. End of the day, that's enough for me, so I stopped. What happened on Tuesday, guys? Man, on Tuesday I took 4 entries. I closed 2 early, 2 trades I closed early because yeah, it was slowing down and I got nervous and I decided to close early. But I mean, the same thing here. Oh man, yesterday I forgot to say I made the biggest mistake, man. I was too greedy, guys. Let me tell you that, man. I mean, look, we took out these stops and entry orders in here. Like we took out all the orders who have been sitting above these equal highs over here, right? We took them all out during the New York session, and then the market made that beautiful break of structure here, and this is when I jumped in, took that sell entry, right? Shared this one as well with everybody. So I took this one, and I mean the logical, this is the first profit target, right? This is the first profit target. I didn't took profits here at around a 2-to-1. I'm not sure why I didn't took profits here. I was too greedy, let me tell you that, guys. So we had equal lows in here. I thought we're gonna slash through them and get back into this zone. Let me show you. I thought we're gonna slash through this double bottom in here, these equal lows, and get back into this zone and fill this big move in here. I thought like maybe we're gonna see some downward pressure, but the market slapped me in my face, stopped me out, and yeah, it was going the other way around. But yeah, I listened to the market. I saw what the market tries to do. Man, I just have finished my trading day in here, right? But I didn't took profits. Man, the market was slowing down like crazy. Let me show you real quick on the smaller time frames. I mean, the market was going on to the 11,500 area. This is where I should have taken profits, guys, for real. Like on the first target, guys, you need to take profits. You need to secure your position or move your stop to break even. Don't make the same mistakes that I did on that particular trade. I mean, this was a lesson, guys. I got stopped out when the market came back. I think I didn't lost the whole position. I think I have tried to load it up in here, took that loss, but yeah, closed a little bit earlier on that one, but still lost like on that one account, I think 2% or something like that. But yeah, anyways, market came all the way back to stop me out, and then I was like, okay, what is going on over here? I was like, okay, maybe we're gonna see some bearish pressure, it would continue to drop, and then no, the market rejected that area, broke structure again, and then it was clear we need to buy this thing. So took my buy entry in there, had my stop sitting below here, somewhere here below this low of that candle. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame real quick. Let me show you where I had my stop. Yeah, I had my stop somewhere below this candle in here, and I tried to target this area in here. This next significant high. This is the next target for me, but the market was slowing down so much, I was not confident enough to hold it through this consolidation. As you can see, the market broke structure in here, came up again, broke structure again, was dipping, it was dipping down, and I was like, damn, fuck that shit, let me close that trade. So I closed that trade somewhere in here, and around break even, and then I took the sell position. I took the sell position as I thought, like, yeah, it will continue to go down. It will continue to go down. I thought, like, yeah, we just grabbed the stops over here, and now the market wants to go down, slash through the equal lows in here, and continue to move down to that zone that I showed you early. So I took that sell, but then I couldn't get any volume, like the market was not moving, and so I changed my mind again. I lost half of my risk over here. I closed this position as it was not moving. I saw that it wants to keep printing blue candles. As you can see, we had the break of structure in here, so I started to buy this thing again. Had my stop in here first, and then I really took profits when we slashed through the high, through the significant high that I told you before. I mean, this one could have been a much bigger, better run, but man, this session was already so long, so I didn't want to sit in front of the charts anymore. For me, that was enough. It was around from 9:30, yeah, it was 5 hours, something like that. 10, 11, 12, 13, yeah, 5 hours, nearly 5 hours in front of the charts. I had enough, because my regular trading day is like 1 to 3 hours maximum on average. I mean, today's trading day was like, I was sitting in front of the charts from 8:30, and I finished my day at 10. That's 1.5 hours, and that's more than enough. That's more than enough. That's all I need more. I don't need more than that, because I focus on these high volume times. This is when the market starts to move. This is where I'm searching for entries, and after that I'm not interested in trading. And you should not trade just because you're so excited about trading, guys. Don't do that. Just focus on the high volume times when the market starts to do something. The beginning of Asia session, the beginning of London session, the beginning of New York session, the first 2 to 3 hours of that session is with a lot of volume. The New York Stock Exchange open, or the London close. I mean, these are high volume times. We have around 7 high volume times in the market, and yeah, you should focus on these times to search for your opportunity to get in and make some money, okay? So this was Tuesday, and on Monday, what we had on Monday, guys? Well, I mean, as you can see, we had this crazy push on Friday down, right? A little reverse, a little pullback in here, and it keeps going down. Then we had a little pullback in here. And yeah, on the FTMO account that I'm trading at the moment, I'm trading my regular account and the FTMO account. Besides that, where I'm filming all my trades, so you can, this is for my masterclass students. I trade the 50K evaluation round. I passed the challenge, now I'm on the evaluation round. I mean, we already have the 10K, the 25K inside the course. Now the 50K is nearly ready. I just need like one more trade, and then I passed the 2 rounds on the 50K account, and I'm going to the 100K account. Record every trading session for you guys, for all my students, so they can see how I manage my trades, how I'm trading, and learn from that, and so they can use this knowledge for themselves to pass these challenges, get funded, and make big money, right? This is what I'm doing right now. So I trade 2 accounts at the same time. It's a little bit stressy sometimes because I try to switch screens. And I mean, guys, you should really focus on just one account. Don't do that. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm trading both accounts at the same time because, yeah, I'm trying to get my losses back that I had the last 2 months. So I'm trading both accounts at the same time, trying to make some money in the markets. But you should focus on just one account, guys. Just focus on one account. It's much better because sometimes you have to react fast. You have to close trades quick. Yeah, just focus on one account, okay? So what we had on Monday, guys. So for that day, we had this zone over here, right? This is where the probably most of the stops or entry orders or whatever is sitting. So here are the most orders, right? So when the New York session started, we slashed through these orders, grabbed them all, and then boom, got rejected pretty hard, right? This is the moment on the pullback where I decided to step into the game. I took my first trade in here, and on my regular account, I had my stop sitting somewhere in here, got stopped out, took the second entry in here. Let me go to the smaller time frame to show you exactly what was happening here on Monday. Overall, Monday was profitable. On my FTMO account, I didn't got stopped out as I had my stop a little bit more up here. Gave it a little bit air to breathe, which was good in that case. So I didn't got stopped out on my first entry, and I was able to load it up on the second position. So why I took the sell in here, guys, I mean, we grabbed orders, we grabbed liquidity, so I was like, okay, we need to hunt the other side of the market. And so as soon as I had the confirmation that the market wants to go down on the pullback, I stepped into the game, easy as that. And then after that, guys, as you can see, we grabbed some more orders in here before we really get the drop. And yeah, it was not so easy to trade. I mean, you had to give the trade a second chance if your stop loss was too tight, right? But anyways, as you can see, we had this bullish structure on the 1 minute time frame, which got broken after we grabbed the stops in here. It got broken in here. So this was the moment when I decided to jump in again on my big account, and on my FTMO account I just loaded it up, put my stop above, and then I took profits at around this low of the day. This was the actual low of that day, which was created in the London session, and this was where I took profits, guys. So this was beautiful. So overall, I would say Monday was beautiful, took a nice profit in here. Tuesday was a little bit windy, I would say, but we still ended up break even, which was all right. I mean, I took three losses. I closed 2 trades early, lost that one, and then I had 1 winning trade, so I ended up break even. Today I had like 1 losing trade, 1 winning trade, ended up with a nice profit of more than 70K. And let me show you the account metrics on FTMO real quick. This is how the account is looking, guys, and as you can see, on the 18th of October, I was up 1,400 on that account. I just need 2,500 for the second round. As you all know, this is the verification round on that account. And then I took my next trade on the 7th of November, and it was just going down. I had like a whole week, nearly 2 weeks of just continuous losing. So I was going from 1,400 plus to 1,400 minus, and then The last days I was grinding hard and get back up to $2,126 with this account. And yeah, client area, you can see what is going on in here. The challenge was really hard, guys, let me tell you that, because I didn't trade it for like 2 weeks or something. I had a big break in here where I was not trading. I think I've missed out on 2 weeks trading, so I had like just 2 weeks to make this 10%. So I had to make, I mean, first of all, everything was fine. I was up 3K, and then this losing streak started, guys, and I was going down to minus 1,800. So I had like a 5K drawdown, 10% drawdown before the next bigger trade hit my target. And I had a little bit losing streak here again, and then boom, another trade. I mean, I finished this challenge with 2 trades. I took like 2% risk as I had the time pressure. I needed to finish the challenge because I was not trading 2 weeks. It was pretty, yeah, I had to use the leverage, the risk to pass it finally. And yeah, but I did it, and now I'm on the verification round. I just need one more trade to finish this one, and then I'm gonna upload it inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course, put all the trades inside, and yeah, show you exactly how it should be done, right? So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna keep you updated about my next trading weeks. We'll keep you updated here on that channel, so make sure to subscribe to that channel if you're new here. And if you need any help with your trading game, guys, you can always drop me a message on Telegram. You will find the link down below. Please just use the links in the description, because sometimes in the comment section there are some fake account scammers who try to do stupid shit. Don't follow them. Just use the links inside the description. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your week, guys. I wish you profitable rest of the trading week. Stay healthy, stay safe, and take care, guys. Peace. What you know every time